Kala to Mamba. Mamba shot. No good. Wilson flipping the ball. Very fire. No good. Last touch by Rudy. Charge. Reality pass. Baldo. Kiamango. Setting the play. Owing to Makala. Makala. Penetrate. This to Kiamango. No good. Libang by Mamba. Magandang umaga sa iyo, Kuya Eric Resma. Ilabang mo lang yan, tuloy-tuloy. 3 points, rep. Briones, 3 points. 10 seconds shot clock. Pangilinan, Wilson Carpio. Yes! Wilson Carpio, 3 points. Batang-bata. Briones setting the play. 15 seconds shot clock. To Makala. Rebound by Carpio. Carpio to Pangilinan. 2 points. 5-3 in favor of BLT. Kakamain mo naman ako, Kuya Eric Rasco. Walang ganun. Mamba, 3 points. Brought to you by Andoay Distillers. Ten seconds to shoot. Score 9-7 in favor of blue team. Carpio setting the play. To Sarge penetrate. He's playing it. Wilson, offensive foul. No outlet, no basket. Cianongo. Still by Pangilinan. Penetrate. Yes. 2 points by Pangilinan. Kuya Gandhi, Briones. 3 points, no good. Rebound by Sarge. To Wilson Carpio. Remaining time 6 minutes. Pangilinan. Fires, no good. Rebound by Makala. Penetrate. To Briones. Kumakala. Kumamba. Nalunod si Mamba. Nalunod. Foul by Mamba. Score. Delta. Milo. Wilson. Looking for the receiver. Still by Briones. Makala. Kaya na. To Chernogo. To Briones. To Makala. To Mamba. Ang ganda ng tira sana. And seconds to shoot. Same ball. Makala, Tama, naglalakad na lang si Melvin. Takbo! Pangilinan siya. Pangilinan, 3 points. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Score, 11-12 in favor of Yellow. Chairman goal for 3. No good, rebound by Wilson. Wilson. To Pangilinan. Pangilinan. Setting the play to Wilson Caprio. Benefit. Caprio again. Who's ball left? Number 95. And Paro. Tama ba? 95? 2 shots by Wilson Caprio. The remaining time 4 minutes and 20. 1 point. Second shot. 2 for 2 by Wilson Caprio. Batang-bata. Chairman goal. Setting the play. Tumakala. To Briones. Briones to Edparo. Edparo tumakala. Edparo shot. Short. Wilson Caprio. To Pangilinan. Pangilinan. To Kuya Gary. To points by Kuya Gary. Score 16-11 in favor of Yellow. 15 seconds shot clock. Wilson Caprio dribbling the ball. Crossover. Esquilan. Same ball. Kali-kali na dumipensa ni Mamba. Caprio. Take. Penetrate. No good. Mamba. Ayan na. For Chairman goal. Chairman goal. Block by Pangilinan. Pangilinan. To Real Beat. Nagre-reklamo pa. Parang ikaw lang yun. Makala. Makala setting the play to Briones. Makala, Mamba. Mamba, no good. Kulang sa Red Horse. Briones. Setting the play. 15 seconds. Foul. Second team out by Yellow. Score 11-18 in favor of Yellow. Second shot by Kiamago. Rebound by Sarge. Sarge to Wilson Caprio. Caprio to Pangilinan. To Kuya Gary. To Briones by Kuya Gary. Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Makala. To Briones. No good. Rebound by Makala. Makala. Pinag pa sa Sarge. Black. Pangilinan again. Tumating si Mamba. Kuya Gary again. No good. Rebound by Paro. And Paro. Galing! Wilson. 2 points. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds. 11-22 in favor of Yellow. Makala. Pinova. No good. Pinova. LLB. Still by 4. 11-point lead by Yellow Team.
Dito na kanina.
Sorry, 11-24. 56 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Visual Carpio. 42 seconds. Leones. Chairman go. Chairman go. Shot. Block. Foul. Go. Second shot.
Shot.
2-2.
Out.
25 seconds. Ready. 10-second shot clock. Leones, 8 seconds. Leones. Nagul. It's game time. (24-13). 11-point lead by Yellow Team.